Okay, here I am waiting for Bill to come down. Now, you might see me, I'm camouflaged in my bushes. And what's going to happen is I'm going to nail him. I'm going to nail that dog here too. So here he comes. He's getting very close. The camera's going over. Okay. Air horn. Here we go. Totally camouflage. Here it is, dog. Here it is. Here he goes. Here we go.
I wonder where you got that noise.
That's right. No dogs in my yard. See the poo-poo sign?
Yeah.
No dogs. Your dog keeps doing it.
Dog and she's inspired. God speak, boy. That's a noisy thing.
That's right.
What's that in your hand? A camera?
All right. Yes. It is a camera, and you look
That
terrific.
is no damn good.
I know, but I'm tired of your dog being in my yard.
Well, you tired you're talking about.
All right. Have a good night.